Hello friends, this is first part of Bootgrid Jquery plugin tutorial. In this part we will fetch data from MySQL table and load on web page by using Bootgrid plugin by using Ajax with PHP. Bootgrid Jquery plugin is another grid control plugin which is special designed for Bootstrap framework, so you can easily use this plugin with Bootstrap. By using this plugin you can perform operation like search table data, Ajax table column sorting, display table data using pagination, how many data you want to display per page, which table column you want to remove on page without refreshing of page. This all operation you can do by using plugin without writing code. Now let's start learning how to load data into Bootgrid plugin. This is our testing one database. In this database we have two tables like category and product. In category table there is two table column like category ID and category name. Here category ID is primary key. We have already inserted some data into this table. In product table there is table column like product ID, category ID, product name, product price and product image. Here product ID is primary key and category ID is foreign key. We will join this two table and get combined data from these table and load under Bootgrid table. This is our index page and under this page we have load these library URL which are required to use functionality of Bootgrid plugin on this page. First link is for Bootstrap style sheet, second link is for Bootgrid style sheet. Third is for load Jquery, fourth is for load Bootstrap JavaScript library and last one is for Bootgrid JavaScript library. This all are required for use Bootgrid plugin functionality on this page. Now we have defined one HTML table with attribute it is equal to product data. This it attribute we will use as selector. Under this table we have right open and close table head tag and between this tag we have right open and close table row tag and between this tag we have right table data tag with data variable column id is equal to product id and data type is equal to numeric and this column text is id. Here data column id variable define it will load table column product id data under this table cell and this table column data is numeric so here we have right data type is equal numeric. Same we have right second table data tag with data column id is equal product named with text product name. This table cell the display product name table column data. After this for display category name we have defined one more table data tag with data column id is equal to category name which is table column of category table with text category. For display price we have defined one more table data tag with data column id equal to product price which display product table column product price data and in table cell text we have right price. In last table data tag we have right data column id variable is equal to commands with data formatter is equal to also command and data sort table variable is equal to false. Here data formatter is equal commands defines. In this table cell we have put command buttons like edit and delete, so if you want update and delete button with Bootgrid plugin then you have to define by this commands data value and data sort table is equal to false, that means this table column Ajax sorting is disabled. If we have not right and above column then in all column Ajax column sorting feature will be enabled by default. Now we have moved to write Jquery code for initialize Bootgrid plugin on table with id product data, so we have write variable product table is equal to $ with table id product data with Bootgrid method. This method will initialize Jquery Bootgrid. Under this method first we have write Ajax option set to true, this will enable server-side processing, by default it has been false. In second option we have write row select set to true. This option will enable entire row clickable. In third option we have write post option with function, and under function we have write return array with keyed and with encrypted value. This will enriches the request object with additional properties. In next option we have write URL set to fetch.php page. This option sets the data URL to a data service. We have send requested to this URL for fetching data from server. And in last option we have write formatters option. It is perfect to manipulate the visualization of data cells. It is nothing else that function that gets invoked on data cell rendering. This will return HTML string as an output. Under this we have write command function with column and row argument, and under function we have write return statement with HTML code of edit and delete button. If you want to add edit and delete button, then you have get by using this formatters. It will return HTML code of edit and delete button, and in this button we have a data row variable value is equal to row.producted variable in both button. This value is nothing but data of producted table column of each product. So this is our jQuery code which will populate jQuery Bootgrid on product data id table. So now we have moved to write PHP code for server side, so we have create on connection.php file for database connection. For making database connection we have write $connection variable is equal to miscli connect function with 4 argument like host name set to localhost, username set to root, password set to blank, and database name set to testing1. After making database connection, now we have moved to fetch.php page, and here first we have include connection.php file by using include statement. Then after we have write $query variable is equal to blank value. Under this variable we will make query for all operation like searching, sorting, pagination. Below this variable we have create one more $data variable is equal to array data type. Under this variable we will store product and category table data. Now we have defined $records per page variable is equal to 10. Value of this variable we will use to define 10 table data display on web page. After this we have create $start from variable is equal to 0. Value of this variable we will use in select query to define we have start fetching data from 0 index. We will change value of this variable according to requirement. Then after we have defined $current page number variable is equal to 0. Under this variable we will store current page number get from Jquery Bootgrid Ajax request. After defining all variable now we have write if statement, and under condition we have write set function with $post row count variable. This condition will check if value of this variable is set, then it will execute if block of code. Here $post row count variable has been get from Jquery Bootgrid Ajax request while populate of this plugin, and suppose value of this variable is set, then it will execute if block of code, and under we have write $records per page variable is equal to $post row count variable. Here we have store $post row count variable value under this $records per page variable, but suppose value of this variable is not set, then it will execute else block of code, and under this we have write $records per page variable is equal to 10. Same way we have again write if statement, and under condition we have write $post current variable. If the value of this variable is set, then it will execute if block of code, otherwise it will execute else block. Here $post current variable return the number of current page via Ajax request to server, and suppose value is set, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have store this variable value under $current page number variable. But suppose value is not set, then it will execute else block of code, and under this block we have write $current page variable value is equal to 1. After this we have write $start from variable is equal to $current page number variable -1 into $records per page variable. Based on this calculation we can get the value of $start from variable which we can use under query. Now we have start writing query, so we have write $query variable and under this variable we have append query like select product.product, category.category name, product.product name, product.product price from product table and join category table on category.category it is equal to product.category. This is simple two-table join query and here we have join category table and product table. After this we have write if statement and under condition we have write not operator with empty function with $post search phrase argument. This condition will check value of this variable is not blank. If value not blank then it will execute if block of code. This variable is also sent by Jquery Bootgrid plugin via Ajax request to server. Under this block we have write $query variable and we append search query like where product.producted like percentage with $post search phrase variable. This will search producted table column data. Same we have again write $query variable and under this variable we have append search query like or category.category name like percentage $post search phrase variable percentage. This will search data under category table category name table column. We have again write $query variable and we have append search query like or product.product name like percentage $post search phrase variable percentage. This will search under product name table column. Under this block lastly we have write $query variable and under this we have append search query like or product.product price like percentage $post search phrase variable percentage. This will search data under product price table column. This way we have append search query under $query variable. After this we have define $order by variable is equal to blank. Under this variable we will store table sort query. Now we have write if statement with condition like set function with $post sort variable and is array $post sort variable. This condition will check if value of this $post sort variable is set and it is an array then it will execute if block otherwise it will execute else block. Suppose condition is satisfied then it will execute if block and under this we have write for each loop with $post sort variable as $key with $value. Under this loop we have write $order by variable and we have append query like $key $value. Here from $key variable it will get table column name and from $value it will get order like ascending or descending. But suppose above condition is not satisfied then it will execute else block of code and under this we have directly write $query variable and here we have append query like order by product in descending order. Now we have write if statement and under condition we have write $order by variable is not equal to blank. This condition will check if value of this variable is not blank then it will execute if block of code. So under this block we have write $query variable and under this we have append query like order by with substring function with $order by first argument, 0 in second argument or in -2 in third argument. This function will remove last two extra character from $order by variable value. Now we have again write if statement and under condition we have write $records per page variable is not equal to -1. This condition will check if value of this $records per page variable value is not equal to -1 then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $query variable and under this variable we have append query like limit $start from variable $records per page variable. So our query is ready with searching data, sorting data and limiting data. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $result variable is equal to miscli query function with two argument like database connection string $connection variable and $query variable. This function will execute query and store result into $result variable. After this we have write while loop with $row variable is equal to miscli fetch assack function with $result argument. Function will convert query result into associative array and store into $row variable. Under this loop we have write $data array variable is equal to $row. Here we have store all value of $row variable into $data variable. Then after we want to get total records and product table which we want to required for this Jquery Bootgrid plugin, so we have write $query1 variable is equal to select star from product table. Now we want to execute this query, so we have write $result1 variable is equal to miscli query function with two argument like $connection variable and $query1 variable. This function will execute query store result into this variable. After this we have write $total records variable is equal to miscli num rows function with $result1 argument. This function will return number of rows from query execution result, and we have store under $total records variable. Now we have write $output variable is equal to array with keys like current with value $post current variable. Here we have store current page number under this current. In second key we have write row count key with value 10, it defined we have displayed 10 records per page. In third key we have write total key with value $total records, here we have store number of records under total. And in last key we have write rows with value $data variable, in this key we have store to table data under HTML format. So this way we have make array for send to Ajax request. But here we want to send this data in JSON format, so we have write echo statement with JSON encode function with $output variable. This function will convert array to JSON string and send to Ajax request. So our code is ready, so we save this code and check output in browser. Here friends, you can see when page has been loaded, then product and category to table data has been displayed on web page under Jquery Bootgrid plugin. Here you can see it display only 10 data per page on web page with edit and delete button. Here we can see function of this Jquery Bootgrid plugin, like we can easily search both table data by entering query here. Same way we can easily show any table column data in ascending order very easily by clicking of single click on table column heading. Here you can easily refresh whole table data by clicking on this button. Here we can also define how many records we want to display per page. We can also define from this drop down. Suppose we do not want to see a table column, so we can remove by this table column from here. So it will remove id table column from web page. This Jquery plugin make pagination without writing any code. So here you can see when we have click on second page, then it displays second page data. So we can get all this functionality by using this Jquery Bootgrid plugin without writing any line of code, and it has been do this all operation without refresh of page. So friends, if in next video we'll see how to insert data using Ajax PHP with this Jquery Bootgrid plugin. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, or even you can also share this video with your friends. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching video.